The expected crash of the AI industry is predicted to be the biggest financial meltdown in human history. And make no mistake here, it won't be restricted to the tech sector. It will hit the entire global financial market because investors are wrongly making one massive assumption. See, currently one third of the US stock market is completely driven by so called Magnificent Seven stocks. So, likes of Amazon, Alphabet, Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, Nvidia, and Meta. Now, investors putting money into major indices or retirement funds, they assume that they are safely diversified. But in reality, by default, close to 30 to 35% of their net worth is heavily concentrated in the tech sector. Now, the immediate danger is that by 2027, global investments in AI are expected to cross approximately $2.5 trillion. Yet, we see that a sustained model of profitability is nowhere in sight. Mr. Michael Burry, the legendary investor who accurately predicted the 2008 housing market collapse, he has explicitly stated that AI is almost certainly a massive speculation bubble, and he has already shorted most of the Magnificent Seven. Now, an asset bubble never bursts simply because valuations are astronomically high. It bursts when the financial infrastructure behind that valuation begins to collapse due to payment defaults or lack of incoming capital. Now, once that domino effect triggers, panic selling will start with tech, bleed into regular equities, and crash the US markets. And trust me, it will have a devastating effect across every single stock market around the world. You know what? Historically, search volume for the phrase AI bubble is at an all-time record high. Just go back and check that. All I am saying is do your due diligence before it's too late.